ESP32 operating modes. ESP32 has two operating modes, the station mode or STA mode and the soft access point mode, or it's called AP mode. Now let's talk about each of them. One of the greatest features ESP32 provide is that it cannot only connect to an existing Wi-Fi network and act as a web server, but it can also set up a network of its own, allowing other devices to connect directly to it and access web pages. This is possible because ESP32 can operate in different operating modes. Usually there is three: the station mode, the soft access point mode, and the third one that combines both of them at the same time, which provide the possibility of building mesh networks. But we won't cover that one because the two mostly used operating modes are station mode and soft access point mode. In case you are interested in mesh networks, you can refer to the documents that we will provide with this course to learn more about the mode that combines both of these two modes. Now let's start by covering the station mode. The ESP32 that connects to an existing Wi-Fi network, one created by your wireless router, is called station or station mode ESP. Now in STA mode, ESP32 gets IP from wireless router to which it is connected. With this IP address, it can set up a web server and deliver web pages to all connected devices under existing Wi-Fi network. So as you can see here, we have an access point, and the ESP will connect to that access point so that it can have access to the internet. Now the second mode is called soft access point mode. In the soft access point mode, the ESP32 creates its own Wi-Fi network and acts as a hub, just like Wi-Fi router, for one or more stations. That is called access point or AP. Unlike Wi-Fi router, it does not have interface to a wired network. So such mode of operation is called soft access point or soft AP. Also, the maximum number of stations that can be connected to its network is very limited. It's like up to 5. In AP mode, ESP32 creates a new Wi-Fi network and set SSID, which is basically the name of the network, and IP address to it. With this IP address, it can deliver web pages to all connected devices under its own network. And from this image, you can see that this ESP board acts as a soft access point, and the laptop and the mobile phone acts as a station, so they can connect to the network that was created by the ESP board. This is the soft access point mode. While in station mode, in station mode, the ESP has to connect to the access point to access the internet. Otherwise, it won't be able to access the internet, and it cannot create its own network. So the laptop can't connect to the ESP network directly because it doesn't have any. While in access point mode, soft access point mode, the ESP creates a wireless network that any device can connect to. So this is the main difference between these two modes. In this mode, ESP acts as an access point. Here, ESP acts as a station that connects to an access point that is already there. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question about these two modes, you can ask them in the Q&A board. I will also provide explanation on how to code each of these two modes and what are the modifications required to switch between soft access point mode and station mode. This will be in the coding section, but that's it for now. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.